5 years ago, my wife vanished without a trace. No sign of struggle, no break-in, no note, no body. Just gone. One day she kissed me on the cheek, said she'd be home by 6 and never walked through the door again. And today, I got a voicemail from her. She sounded terrified, and she said not to trust the police. Transcript of the voicemail. Mark, it's me. Please, listen, I don't have much time. I was wrong. They're not who they say they are. Don't go to the police. Don't trust them. I need you to find the red file. It's still in the house, I think. It's shuffling, static, muffled yelling in the background. I have to go. I love you. Please, don't trust anyone. Click. I just sat there for probably 10 minutes staring at my phone. The timestamp said it came in at 2:17 a.m. Unknown number. The voice was hers. The inflections. The way she said my name. Only she ever said it like that. I haven't heard her voice in 5 years. Let me back up. Her name was Anna. We met in college, both English majors, both into weird podcasts and hiking. She was this mix of logic and passion that made every conversation feel like a debate worth having. We got married 7 years ago. 2 years in, she disappeared. She said she was going to meet a friend for brunch. Her car never left the parking garage. Surveillance footage showed her entering, but never leaving. Police were baffled. No activity on her cards, no contact with friends or family, no ransom, no notes, no social media. Gone. I went through every stage of grief, denial, rage, despair. Therapy didn't help. The police eventually ruled her missing and presumed dead. My in-laws stopped talking to me after a while. I kept our apartment the same way for a long time. Her books, her favourite mug, her red coat on the hook by the door. Eventually, I tried to move on, dated a little, even moved once. But a part of me always waited for the knock at the door. Or a body. But I never expected this. I replayed the voicemail a dozen times. I tried calling the number disconnected. I ran it through a voice filter, definitely Anna. And then there was that part. Find the red file. I tore the house apart. It was nearly 3 a.m, but I didn't care. The weird thing was, once she said it, I remembered something like that. One time, maybe a year before she disappeared, I saw her with this red accordion folder. I joked she looked like a 90s office worker. She laughed and shoved it in her bag. I never saw it again. I started going through boxes in the crawl space, old books, yearbooks, notebooks, a collapsed umbrella, and then, tucked behind a plastic bin of Halloween stuff, I saw it, a red file folder. Inside were documents, lots of them, fake IDs, photos of Anna with different hairstyles and different names, Clara Jensen, Lauren Pierce, Marie Stone. There were passport copies, a black and white photo of what looked like a shipping container yard, coordinates, receipts in currencies I don't recognize. Then I found a letter. To me, written in Anna's handwriting, short. Mark, if you're reading this, something went wrong. I wanted to tell you 100 times, but I couldn't. You're in danger now too. Don't talk to the police, don't go to my parents. If you love me, burn this file and disappear. I'm sorry. A. What the hell had she gotten into? That day was a blur. I took the file to work and scanned every page, saving it all to a hidden drive. I ran image searches, checked the metadata on photos, even called a friend of mine who works in cybersecurity to look at one of the encrypted documents. She wouldn't say much, just told me to be careful who you ask about this. Then she blocked me. Things got weirder yesterday. I caught a man in a black SUV parked near my house. Same one twice in 2 days. This morning, my mail was tampered with, opened and resealed. And this afternoon, I got an email. No subject, one line. You're making this harder than it needs to be. No sender, no traceable IP. Tonight, I went to Anna's old storage unit. It was supposed to have been cleared years ago, but the guy working there said it had been paid in advance for 10 years, under one of her aliases. I broke the lock. Inside were more photos, burner phones, a wall covered in printouts of what looked like government memos, with sections blacked out. One phrase appeared again and again, Project Daedalus, in all caps, highlighted, dated as far back as 2008. There was also a flash drive duct taped to the underside of a drawer. I haven't plugged it in yet. I'm afraid of what's on it. Tonight, I got another voicemail. Same number, 1 a.m. They're close. I saw them near the house. You need to leave. Use the cabin. Bring the drive. Please, Mark. Please trust me. I love you. I always loved you. There was crying. Then static. I never told her I bought a cabin. Only 2 people ever knew. Her and a detective on the case. Now I don't know who to trust. The police won't help. I've seen that SUV 4 times today. I think someone came into my house while I was out. The red file is gone. Just gone. But I made copies. I've hidden them. I don't know if Anna faked her disappearance or if she's running from something massive. But if what I found is even half real, there's something big going on. something buried, something dangerous. And I'm starting to wonder if I ever really knew the woman I married. They found me, I'm not sure how. Burner phone, VPN. Left my car in a Walmart parking lot and hitched a ride 3 towns over. But still, they found me. Let me explain. After that last voicemail, I panicked, grabbed the essentials, laptop, the flash drive, clothes, one photo of us from our wedding. I didn't even pack food, just drove. I didn't stop for gas until I was an hour past empty. The cabin is 4 hours north of the city, remote, no neighbours, no cell service. I figured it'd buy me time. I was wrong. On the second night there, I found a drone hovering outside the window. I didn't sleep. The flash drive Anna left me was encrypted, but I managed to brute force part of it open using an old password she used for dumb things. Our anniversary date, plus her favourite cat's name, 0622 Whiskers. It opened one folder. Inside was a video file, grainy, timestamped 2016, before she vanished. She's sitting in a dim motel room, whispering. Her hands are shaking. There's a map on the wall behind her with pins. If you're seeing this, something went wrong. I think they're onto me. Project Daedalus isn't a theory, it's a restructuring program. People who know too much or ask the wrong questions, they get disappeared. Memory redaction, identity burns, repurposing. They don't kill you, they erase you. Then she says something I still don't understand. They tried to do it to me, but I remembered you, Mark. That's how I knew it didn't work. At the end, she holds up a photo of us on the couch, eating takeout, laughing, one I don't remember ever taking. I shut the laptop and just sat there, numb. What the hell was Daedalus? What did she mean, repurposing? How do you erase someone without killing them? And the scariest question of all, if someone could alter memories, how do I even know who I am? Around 3 a.m., I heard a knock at the door. Not pounding, not threatening, just a knock, then a voice. Mark, we just want to talk. No one calls me that name up here. No one should know I'm here. I didn't answer. I went out the back and ran into the woods. Stayed there for hours, freezing and paranoid, until sunrise. When I got back to the cabin, the door was open. Nothing was taken, except the flash drive. But here's the part that really makes my skin crawl. Someone left a note on the counter, in Anna's handwriting. You weren't supposed to remember, I'm sorry. I think I'm starting to understand. She didn't disappear. She was taken, reprogrammed, maybe escaped, maybe not entirely. And now someone, or something, wants to make sure the truth never surfaces. I hitchhiked south, changed appearance, cut my hair, tossed my ID, used cash only. I thought I was safe again, until tonight. My motel room phone rang. Old, analog, wall-mounted thing. I stared at it until it stopped. Then my cell phone, which I hadn't turned on in days, lit up. Just once. A single message. Too late. And now I swear I can feel them outside, waiting, watching. This may be my last update, but I've emailed everything I found, video, files, scans, to a few people I trust, journalists, conspiracy nuts, Reddit mods. I don't care who blows this open, I just need someone to see. If you're reading this, archive it, mirror it, share it. And if someone you love disappears, don't assume it was random. Ask about Daedalus, ask what they remembered that they weren't supposed to, and whatever you do, don't answer the knock.